check her out in the sun. Like I said, with this section, you know, it does have the rock impacts, but you have so much sparkle in the paint. It does hide it a little bit, but it is still there. Wheels look awesome. All right, we're gonna do a quick test drive here. 48,831 miles on the odometer. Now, if you see any flickering with the screens or gauges here, that is just in camera, not in person. This car is extremely nice inside. Smells really good. Everything has a nice matte finish to it. Really, really clean. It shifts nice and smooth. Steering is perfectly straight. Doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. I'm not hearing any weird creaks or vibrations. I'm going to use the paddle shifters to downshift here. Super responsive, very quick, no issues there. Okay, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assessing the overall condition of the vehicle. This car does not have any PPF on it. And looking at the fender, a couple light rock impacts, a couple small scuffs. That looks good. Looking at the wheel, you have a little scratch there. I do see some rash right here. Date code on the tire, 2020. Got the Pirellis, 245/35 20s. It's a P0. So overall though, that wheel looks pretty good. Here in the side mirror, typical rock impacts and some bug etching. A-pillar looks good. Got the glass roof. And if you look really close, you're gonna see some light scuffs right here in that area. And we do offer paint correction in-house here and ceramic coating, so you can get this looking really tip-top on some of those light swirls and scuffs. Looking at this area, there's no PPF here as well, and so you are gonna see the rock impacts there. Now that's super close, we're in perfect lighting. You get out in the sun, it's not gonna be as apparent, but it is there. That looks good. Overall, that wheel looks really nice. No window tint. Nice clean OEM look. Here on the headlight, you're gonna see the flaws here, the illumination, little issues there, and the typical rock impacts. Once again, no PPF, so you're gonna see those little impacts and small chips here and there. Some light scuffs. You're gonna have a larger chip there, a couple smaller ones. Looking at that light, typical rock impacts. You're gonna have some rash here on that lower splitter. And then here on this headlight, you're gonna see the flaws in there. And the issues up here on the top side. We've got the clear markers, that looks really good. Overall fender's in great condition. Here on this wheel, some light scuffs. I don't see any rash though. Little scuff here, got a chip there. Typical impacts on that side mirror with some really light scuffs. Scanning that pillar. That looks good. Here on the quarter panel. That looks good. Same thing in this area, typical impacts. You have a chip right there. Then you have some gashes right here. You're gonna see some light swirls. Overall, that door looks good. That wheel looks nice. You see some little imperfections here and there. A couple chips. Looking at that tail light, that looks good. You do have a large gash right there and a chip there. You have more chips here. It looks like this car is transported at some point backwards, so you have little rock chips here and there. You have a gash right there, gash there. That light looks good. The middle light's clean. Same there. All right, checking out the interior, absolutely gorgeous. Non-smoker. You have the memory seating here. Those buttons all look perfect. That trim is in great condition, and same with this. Here on this kick plate area, that plastic has typical scuffs from getting in and out. A little bit here. Looking at that bolster, that is very, very clean. It looks really nice. Same here. The seats still have a beautiful matte finish to them. Very little wear on those. Now here on the steering wheel, typical wear spots. I don't see any big gashes or anything, so overall really nice. This area is clean. Upper side of the dash looks good. Kind of looking at all these buttons. Heated cool seats. All of that looks really, really nice. Beautiful interior. All right, looking at that door panel, very, very clean. Typical scuffs from getting in and out right here. Floor mat looks good. That bolster looks really nice. Same here, has a matte finish to it. That seat looks really good. There in the console lid, you see a little scuff. That side's clean. That looks good. Upper side of the dash looks nice. See the Alcantara up here. And looking back here, all of that looks really good. All right, looking at the front, all that carpet looks really good. Plastics are nice and clean.